appreciate having a few trees around for shelter. At least I can unload the truck without going out of the unloading auger. It's a hot one. There's possible showers tonight, so I would like to finish here. So I better concentrate on my driving, and I'm down to 3.2. I should be cruising closer to 4. Well, here I am out combining wheat on the 31st of May. Just cleaning up the remains of the 2019 crop that never got harvested and stayed out all winter. It suffered quite a bit of damage, broken heads, laying down so flat I couldn't pick it all up with the swather, but we got as much as possible, and done before the rain. Stuff weighs 58 pounds per bushel, so it lost a little weight. And here is the last swath of the entire field. I wrapped it up here about, I don't know, 6:30 or something. It really clouded up and looked like threatening rain, so I was pushing it pretty hard to get done, and I did. So we got it all in the bin, and sure as anything the sun came out. Anyway, that's it for Harvest 2019. Hope you liked the video. Click the like or subscribe.